What if I told you that 1 in 4 people think about money on a daily basis? The way we think about money, our behaviors, and our actions can have a profound impact on our overall well-being. Exploring the money mindset will help with being happy with who we are, being consistent in pursuing our goals, and creating a mindset that can lead to greater success in life. With that in mind, let's dive into the powerful concept of the money mindset and how it can influence our overall happiness, financial success, and personal accomplishments. To be happy with the person we are, it's crucial to have a positive and healthy money mindset. This includes cultivating an attitude of abundance and gratitude towards our finances. Recognizing and appreciating what we have can help shift our focus from scarcity to sufficiency, which can lead to a greater sense of contentment and self-acceptance. Consistency is the key to achieving our financial goals. It's important to set clear objectives, develop a plan, and to stay committed to taking small, consistent steps towards our targets. Building healthy financial habits and routines can help us overcome challenges, resist impulse spending, and maintain momentum on our journey to financial success. To create a money mindset that fosters success, we can start by reevaluating our beliefs and attitudes towards money. Identify any limiting beliefs that may be holding us back and replace them with empowering thoughts. Educate ourselves on financial literacy, set achievable goals, and hold ourselves accountable for our actions. By being mindful of our spending patterns, saving diligently, and investing wisely, we can pave the way towards a more prosperous and fulfilling future. All in all, developing a wealthy mindset is a transformative journey that can positively impact every aspect of our lives. By embracing an attitude of abundance, practicing gratitude, and staying consistent in our financial behaviors, we can unlock our true potential for happiness, fulfillment, and success. Remember that building a strong money mindset requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to challenge our beliefs. Ultimately, by cultivating a mindset focused on personal growth and financial well-being, we can create a life of abundance, success, and fulfillment by using the following steps. 1. Embrace abundance. Thinking. Abundance thinking is about shifting our mindset from scarcity to prosperity. It's about recognizing that there is more than enough to go around and that opportunities are limitless. Abundance thinking encourages us to focus on what we have and what we can create. By adopting an abundance mindset, we invite positivity, creativity, and gratitude into our lives. We see challenges as opportunities for growth, setbacks as stepping stones to success, and abundance as our birthright. 2. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to cultivate happiness and contentment in our lives. It involves acknowledging and appreciating the blessings, big and small, that surround us each day. By regularly reflecting on what we're grateful for, we shift our focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in our lives. Gratitude has the remarkable ability to elevate our mood, reduce stress, and enhance our overall well-being. It reminds us to cherish the present moment and to find joy in the simple pleasures of life. So, let's make gratitude a daily practice by expressing thanks for the love, opportunities, and experiences that enrich our lives. 3. Set clear and achievable expectations. Setting clear and achievable expectations is a fundamental step towards success and personal growth. We need to outline our aims with specificity, providing ourselves with a roadmap for progress, clarity, and motivation. Setting realistic and attainable expectations helps us stay focused, prioritize our efforts, and assess our progress effectively. Moreover, it ensures that we are setting ourselves up for success rather than disappointment. Every achievement, regardless of its size, fuels our confidence and propels us towards greater accomplishments. Let's commit to setting clear and achievable expectations, empowering ourselves to convert our dreams into tangible realities, one step at a time. 4. Develop healthy habits and routines. Developing healthy habits and routines is essential for maintaining physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By establishing consistent practices such as regular exercise, balanced nutrition, adequate sleep, and mindfulness, we support our overall health and resilience. Healthy habits not only enhance our energy levels and productivity but also reduce stress, anxiety, and burnout. Moreover, routines provide structure and stability in our daily lives, empowering us to manage our time effectively and pursue our goals with clarity and focus. As we cultivate healthy habits and routines, we invest in our long-term health and happiness, laying the foundation for a fulfilling and thriving life. 5. Educate yourself. Educating ourselves is a lifelong journey of growth, empowerment, and self-discovery. By seeking out knowledge, whether through formal education, reading, or experiential learning, we expand our understanding of the world and deepen our skills and expertise. Education not only broadens our perspectives, but also equips us with the tools and resources to navigate life's challenges and pursue our aspirations. Moreover, continuous learning fosters adaptability, resilience, and innovation, enabling us to thrive in an ever-changing world. So let's commit to investing in our education, embracing curiosity, and unlocking the boundless potential within ourselves. 6. Challenge limiting beliefs. Challenging beliefs is the cornerstone of personal growth and self-discovery. It involves questioning the assumptions, biases, and narratives that shape our perspectives and behaviors. By challenging our beliefs, we open ourselves up to new ideas, insights, and possibilities. It allows us to break free from limiting patterns and expand our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Moreover, embracing a mindset of curiosity and openness enables us to evolve and adapt in the face of change. So let's dare to challenge our beliefs, to explore new horizons, and to embrace the transformative power of growth and learning. 7. Hold yourself accountable. Holding ourselves accountable is a powerful commitment to taking ownership of our actions, choices, and responsibilities. It means setting clear expectations and standards for ourselves and following through with integrity and determination. By holding ourselves to account, we acknowledge the impact of our decisions on ourselves and others, fostering trust and credibility in our relationships. It also empowers us to stay focused on our goals, overcome obstacles, and continuously strive for excellence. Through accountability, we cultivate discipline, resilience, and self-improvement, which can drive us towards success and fulfillment in all areas of our lives. So, let's embrace accountability as a guiding principle, empowering ourselves to live with purpose, integrity, and impact. Some of the steps mentioned can help to make us happy with the person we are mentally and emotionally. Remember, it's a journey that requires patience with ourselves, consistency, and self-reflection. Through embracing abundance, practicing gratitude, setting clear goals, and developing healthy habits, we are well on our way to creating a mindset that supports our life, finances, and achievements. Keep going and enjoy the journey to a more prosperous and fulfilling future.